नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का एचडी क्लासेस में स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट प्रैक्टिस सेट 3.4 arithmetic progression, and this practice sets is one of the word problem related practice sets. So let's start to solve from the problem number 1. Okay, हम लोग फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम से स्टार्ट करेंगे. On 1st June 2016, Sanika decided to save rupees 10, 11 on the second day and rupees 12 on the third day. If she decide to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what would be her total saving? हम लोग को उसकी टोटल सेविंग निकालनी है, तो इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट थिंग, दिस ईयर इज वन ऑफ द लीफ ईयर. ओके, year 2016, year 2016, okay, is a leap year. Okay, therefore total number of days, okay, number of days, okay, it is also known as n. Okay, it is what, 366. Okay, so total number of days 360. Then Sanika's savings per day. Okay, Sanika's okay, savings per day, rupees 10, 11, 12 and so on. Okay, this is an AP. Okay, therefore A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 1, because there is only 1 rupees gap difference in each day. Okay, therefore formula, okay, Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1d bracket complete. This is known as formula, okay, for n terms, the sum of n terms. Okay, so we have to find S366. So 366 divided by 2, then 2 into a is 10 plus n minus 1 means 366 minus 1, and d is also 1. Okay, let's solve this. So therefore 366 तो सॉल्व करेंगे S366. ओके, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. मेरे पास पहला तो डिवाइड कर लेता हूँ. 2 1 ज़ा 2, यहाँ पे 1 आएगा. 2 8 ज़ा 16 and 3 ज़ा 6. ओके, then in the bracket I will get 20 plus, okay, 365. Okay, in this way, so it is 183 in the bracket. Just add this 385. Okay, now multiply. अभी क्या करेंगे हम लोग, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. therefore S366, चलो मल्टीप्लाई करें 385. दिस इज रफ वर्क, आपको याद रखना है. इसको आप रफ पेज पे करो. कि यहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखाने के लिए 3 5 ज़ा 15 ज़ा 5, 1 कैरी किया. ओके, 8 3 ज़ा 24 एंड 1 5 कैरी किया, 2 मैंने. ओके, 3 3 ज़ा 9 एंड 1 2 11. ओके, टेक द 0. ओके, 8 5 ज़ा 40 कैरी 4, 8 8 ज़ा 64 एंड 4 68 कैरी 6, 8 3 ज़ा 24 and this 6. Okay, 24 and 6 30. Now take 2 zeros, so 1 is there, so 5 8 and 3. Now add these all. Okay, so 5 and then you will get this 4 carry 1 0 carry 1 7 70455. Okay, I will check. It's 366 70455. Okay, so this is total year 7. Okay, for the year 2016. Okay, leaf year, it is a leaf year. Okay, so therefore I will write in words. First I will erase the rough work from this बोर्ड. ओके, मैं इसको इरेज कर रहा हूँ ताकि इसको आपको रफ पेज पे करना. ओके, therefore the savings, what we have to find, savings of Sanika. Okay, of Sanika for year 2016 is, okay, what is it, rupees 70,000 and then 455. ओके, सो ये आपका सोल्यूशन है. ओके, इस तरह आपको इसको सॉल्व करना है. इसमें भी कोई भी बड़ी बात नहीं, खाली इससे भी अच्छा आप लिख सकते हो. यू कैन राइट बेटर दैन दिस बिकॉज इट इज़ पॉसिबल. ओके, एज पर योर स्किल्स यू विल राइट. ओके, सो उस तरह से आप लिखो जिस तरह से आपको पॉसिबल है, लिखना पॉसिबल है, आप लिख सकते हो. ओके, तो ये था मेरा प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 जिसको मैंने सॉल्व किया 3.4 में से. अभी क्या करूँगा, मैं प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 को सॉल्व करूँगा. Okay, so we'll solve the second problem. In the second problem, a man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to repay with a total interest of rupees 1,360 in 12 installment, each installment is being less than the preceding one by rupees 40, find the amount of first and last installment. Okay, so what is given first we'll write here. Okay, so first statement, the difference between each installment. Okay, the difference between each installment, so it is common difference D. Okay, I will take here is minus rupees 40. Okay, therefore this is an AFE, this is an AFE. Okay, so the total amount paid, in 12 installments. Okay, this is taken amount is equal to SN is equal to taken amount rupees 8,000 plus rupees 1,360. so this is you this add rupees 9,360. okay, this is total amount. Okay, it is given, means this is given, we have to find A and we have to find TN. okay, these two things we have to find. So let's solve this. Okay, therefore first we'll use the formula SN is equal to N upon 2. okay, N is 12, this is N is 12. okay, S12. so now this is 2A plus N minus 1 and this is bracket complete D. so this is formula. okay, for N number of installments. okay, therefore S12 is equal to 12 upon 2, then 2A plus 12 minus 1 D is minus 40. okay, minus 40, and now complete this. therefore S12, okay, S12 is given actually. okay, so we'll just write the given S12. okay, so it is given, so I am writing it. so what is this? 9,360. this is okay, given. therefore here is 6 and here is 2A and this is 12 means 11 minus 40. okay, minus this I am writing here minus rupees 400. okay, this is like this, means don't write rupees, sorry, minus 400. okay, like this. okay, now this 6 is multiple, it will come to divide. therefore 2A minus 440 is equal to 9360 divided by 6. okay, 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. okay, I'll get 1. Now 3 is remaining, 6 5s are 30. okay, now again 3 is remaining, 6 6 are 36. so I'll get this. okay, therefore 2A minus 440 is equal to this 1560. therefore 2A is equal to, okay, is it correct? Minus 40, difference is minus 40. yes, this will be plus 1560 plus 440. okay, so it is 2000. okay, therefore 2A is equal to rupees, no, rupees I will write later. okay, 1000. okay, so this is the first installment. okay, is equal to first installment. okay, I got it. I now have to find TN. okay, therefore TN means T12. I have to find Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1. this is formula. again I am going to use this formula for N terms. therefore T12 is equal to A is 1000 plus N is equal to 12 minus 1 and this is minus 40. okay, use this formula. so therefore T12 is equal to 1000 and this, okay, this is 11 means minus 440. okay, therefore T12 is equal to, you just minus this, you'll get 560. okay, this is here. so this is, so there, so first installment, this is first and this is last. okay, therefore first installment, okay, A is equal to rupees 1000. therefore the last installment, okay, this is T12 is equal to 500 rupees, 560. okay, in this way you have to solve this. okay, so in this case you have to use two formulas. okay, यहाँ पे आपको दो formulas use करना है, एक formula में आपका ये solution नहीं आपको मिलता है. so first you find SN, use the SN formula, then TN. okay, and finally you get both terms. okay, A is the first term and n is the last term. Okay, 12th term. Okay, so this is the problem number 2 of solid. Okay, ये था प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 जिसको सॉल्व किया है. अभी हम लोग क्या करें, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 3 को सॉल्व करते हैं. Okay, so we'll solve the problem number 3. In this problem, Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme. In the first year, he invested rupees 5,000. In the second year, 7,000. In the third year, 9,000, and so on. Find the total amount that he invested in 12 years. Okay, therefore, we'll solve this solution. Sachin's investment. Okay, investment in NSCS, okay, National Savings Certificate Scheme, is as follows. Okay, what is his investment? Rupees 5,000, rupees 7,000, rupees 9,000, and so on. Okay, this is an AP. This is an AP. Okay, therefore A is equal to 5,000. Okay, and D is equal to 2,000. Okay, it is obviously 2,000 difference rupees. Okay, so therefore SN means SN n upon 2a plus n minus 1d. This is formula. We have to use this formula. Okay, so we'll use this. So S12 for 12s we have to find. So 12 upon 2 into 5,000. Okay, plus n means 12 minus 1, and d is 2,000. Okay, so let's solve this. Okay, so solve करेंगे इसको. The first 12 we have to find. Okay, this is your 6 and this is your 1 means 10,000 plus 12 minus 1, it is 11. Okay, 11 into 2, you know that 22,000. Okay, this is 22,000. Okay, so now we just add 6. Okay, this 10 plus 22. Okay, so it will be 32,000. Okay, so now just 6 2s are 12, 12s are 2, remaining 1, 6 3s are okay 19. Okay, so this is his total 12 years savings. Okay, therefore this is S12. Okay, therefore the total savings, okay, of Sachin, okay, for 12 years, okay, is rupees 1,92,000. Okay, in NSCS, okay, National Savings Certificate Scheme. Okay, so this is the solution for your problem number 3. Okay, this is problem number 3 और इसको इस तरह से सॉल्व करना है. इसको हम लोगों ने सॉल्व किया है. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4 को सॉल्व करेंगे. Okay, so we'll solve the problem number 4. In this problem, there is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first, 22 seats in the second row, and the 24 seats in the third row, and so on. Find the number of seats in the 15th row, and also find the how many total seats are there in the auditorium. Okay, so we'll solve this solution. Okay, so what is the total number of rows? Okay, the total number of rows, total number of rows, okay, and is equal to 27. It is given. Okay, the seats in each row are as follows. The seats in each rows are as follows. Okay, as follows. Okay, so this is, I'm writing, you write like this also, no problem. Okay, as follows: 20, 22, 24, and so on. Okay, therefore this is an AP, this is an AP. So A is equal to 20, D is equal to 2. Okay, so now we have to find T15. Okay, therefore Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D formula. Okay, this is formula. So we have to find T15. Therefore T15 is equal to A is 20 plus n is 15 minus 1 d is 2. Okay, therefore T15 is equal to 20 plus this. Okay, 14 into 28, it is 28. You can do this. Okay, So 28 and this 20. Okay, T15. T15, right? T15. So it is 48. Okay, so we got the number of seat in 15th row. Okay, now we have to find Sn. Okay, therefore Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so n, I know that. What is n? In this case, n is given. In this case, total number of seats. Okay, it is 27. S27. Okay, so it is 27 upon 2. And then 2 into a is 20 plus n is here 27 minus 1 d is 2. Okay, so 27 upon 2 in the bracket, this is 40, and this will be 26 into 2. 26 into 2, it is 52. Okay, it is 52. Okay, you just write like this, 52. Okay, so therefore you'll get 27 upon 2. Just add this, you'll get 92. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are, and 2 6. Okay, 27 into 46. Now multiply this. Okay, 46 into 27. Okay, 7 6 are. Okay, 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are 42. Okay, 4 is remaining. 7 4s are 28, and this is 32. Take 0. 12s are 2, carry 1, and this is 9. Okay, so 2 4 and 12. Okay, so this will be 1 2 4 2. Okay, so this is your total number of seat, S27. So what do we have to write? Okay, first we will rough work. Whatever the rough work we have did. Okay, और हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको रफ कर देंगे. हमें क्या चाहिए था अभी यहाँ पे देख लो आप लोग एक बार. आपको T15 चाहिए था, आपको मिल गया, एंड S27. ओके, therefore the number of seats in 15th row is, okay, 48, and total number of seats in the auditorium, okay, is 1 2 4 2. Okay, in this way you have to find this solution. So this is your solution. I'm just going to underline the 15th row, and this is 48, and the total number of seats. Okay, this is 1 2 4 2. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this. यहाँ पे भी आपको कुछ तकलीफ नहीं होगी, ताकि यहाँ पे भी आपको फॉर्मूलाज ही यूज़ करना है. खाली जो कंटेंट दिया उसको इलस्ट्रेट करके लिख देना. ओके, तो आपको आपके सोल्यूशन मिलते जाएंगे, कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं आएगी आपको. तो ये था हम लोग का प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4, जिसको हम लोगों ने सॉल्व किया. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 5 को सॉल्व करेंगे. Okay, so we'll solve the problem number 5. In this problem, the Kargil temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. Readings were in AP. The sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than the sum of temperature of Tuesday and Saturday. Okay, so Monday, Saturday, it is more than Tuesday, Saturday. If temperature on Wednesday was minus 30 degrees Celsius, then find the temperature on the other 5 days. Okay, so let's solve this solution. Okay, the temperature recorded, okay, in Kargil, okay, Kargil forms an AP. Okay, forms an AP. Okay, let the temperature from Monday to Saturday, okay, Saturday, B, okay, B, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and A plus 4D. Okay, A plus 4D. So let we have to consider this. Therefore, okay, these two things you have to write. The temperature recorded in Kargil forms an AP. Let the temperature from Monday to Saturday be A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2, D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. This is the sequence. Okay, so now the given condition. Okay, therefore I will write Monday and Saturday. What is temperature on Monday? Okay, Monday is first, A minus D. So because temperatures from Monday to, okay, A minus B plus Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday and Saturday, A plus 4, okay, A plus 4D is equal to, okay, it is 5 degrees Celsius more as compared to this which Tuesday? Okay, Monday, then Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday and plus a plus 4d plus 5. Okay, so this is given condition, it is given. Okay, so I'm writing a given. Okay, now solve this. Minus d I will cancel, but this 4d and this 4d will get cancelled, then this a and this a will get cancelled. Okay, plus, okay, it is 5, and then the this a and this a and this a and this a, same factors on the opposite side get cancelled. Minus d is equal to 5, so d is equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is difference of 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now you got d. Okay, now what you have to find, what is given? Wednesday temperature. Okay, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, then Thursday. Okay, therefore a plus d is equal to minus 30 degrees Celsius. It is given, it is given. Okay, it is also given, so this is given. Therefore a and minus 5 degree minus 30 degree, therefore a is equal to minus 30 plus 5 degree, so a is equal to minus 25 degree. Okay, so once you get this, this is the temperature for your Tuesday. Okay, so therefore this is a, so you got this. Okay, therefore temperatures from Monday to Saturday. Okay, Saturday where as follows. Okay, as follows. Okay, well, right now, so first what, Monday is equal to a minus d. Okay, so a is minus 25 minus d is minus 5, so it is minus 30 degrees Celsius. Then Tuesday. Okay, it is a, so it is minus 25 degrees Celsius. Then Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. It is given actually, Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesday. So what is the Wednesday temperature? See, a plus d, a and plus d. A is what? Minus 25 degree plus d. Okay, plus d, and this will be plus actually. Okay, because minus is going to be plus. It is 20 degrees Celsius. Sorry for this. Okay, because minus already there, minus d, so it will be plus. Okay, minus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, it is minus, and this is minus 5 degrees Celsius, so it is minus 30 degrees Celsius. Then Thursday. Okay, it is a plus 2d, so a is minus 25 and this is minus 10 degree, so it is minus 35. Okay, then Friday, a plus 3d, so a minus 25 minus 15, so it is minus 40. And therefore Saturday. Okay, Saturday, a plus 40. Okay, so minus 25 and minus 20, so it is minus 45 degree. Okay, so these are the temperatures for respective days for the sequence Monday to Saturday. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this. So this is the problem number 5. Okay, we have solved it, and after this problem there is the last problem remaining, the problem number 6. Now we are going to solve that problem and then we'll complete this practice set 3.4. Okay, so we'll solve the next problem number 6. On the World Environment Day, tree plantation program was arranged on a land which is triangular in shape. Trees are planted in such a way that first row 1 tree, in the second row 2, third 3, and so on. Find the total number of trees in the 25 rows. Okay, so we'll solve this solution. Okay, total number of rows. Okay, rows. Okay, it is n is equal to given 25. Okay, trees in each row are as follows. Okay, so what are the tree? First 1, then okay, first row planted 1, then 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, therefore this is an AP, this is an AP, therefore A is equal to 1, D is equal to 1. Okay, therefore we have to use formula Sn n upon 2. Okay, 2A plus n minus 1D. Okay, this is formula. Okay, so now S25. Okay, what is given? S25 we have to find. So n is 25 upon 2 in the bracket 2 into 1 plus 25 minus 1 and D is 1. Okay, so let's solve. 25 upon 2, this is, and there is 2 plus this is 14, 24. Okay, so this is 25 and if I divide this, okay, this is 26 divided by 2. Okay, I will get 13. Okay, I'm writing here directly. Okay, therefore 25 into 13 we have to solve this. Okay, 3 5s are 15s are 5, 1 carry kiya. Okay, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, 0 carry kiya, 5 and 2. So 5, this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, 325. Okay, 325. Okay, this is your solution, S25. Therefore, okay, therefore the total number of trees planted on the World Environmental Day, environment, okay, day, okay, was 325. Okay, this is your solution. Okay, in this way you have to solve this. The rough work you have to just do on the rough phase. Okay, whatever the rough work you have to do on the rough phase, and this is the solution. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the problems given in the practice set 3.4. okay, actually the video may be somewhat डीम. ओके, लाइट थोड़ा सा डीम दिख रहा है. एक्चुअली कैमरे का प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, इसलिए सेटिंग से कुछ भी ऑप्शन नहीं मिला, इसलिए इसी तरह से मैं वीडियो बनाता रहूँगा. फिलहाल कुछ दिन के लिए आपको एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. एंड ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू अपलोड द सेम कंटेंट with same solutions as the snapshots of the practice set 3.4. okay, and you will get both videos. Okay, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon button so you will get the notification of upcoming videos on time. Thanks and keep watching. Have a nice time.